How to unload film out of this disposable camera? Wait, it's not. I have this Canon Disposable. I don't know what is the name, but it has film speed 800. Its aperture is 11. And about the flash, when you are unloading the film, you have to make sure that the capacitor of the flash is empty, or you never touch it with your hands, because otherwise you'll get a nasty shock. First thing to know when unloading film is that these cameras are usually loaded in darkroom with film fully unloaded out of the roll. So when you take a photo, you have to wind it up a bit, like this. What it does, it's winding the film back to the roll. So when you shot all of the frames, your roll of film is already winded up and you don't have to rewind it afterward. Just take a screwdriver, and what I like to do is to remove these stickers from here, because I'm going to undo these pins to be able to take out the film roll. Under this sticker there is another pin. You don't have to be very gentle because it's a disposable camera and it will go to the trash bin. But I just wanted to show you how it looks under the sticker. These disposable cameras use 1 AA alkaline batteries. You can see one here installed. Just to take a look how it looks. Then remove this pin too. And here you can see the roll of film already winded out, or winded up, how to say in English, winded here inside the roll. That way it's possible for them to make 39 exposures opposed to 36 exposures, or 27 opposed to 24. Let's take it out. Here you go, how it looks.